and I am going to be solving the orange side on a Rubik's Cube because my Nini told me I was going to, and I thought I might do that for the video. So let, let's get on.
Alright, when you're comfortable.
Okay, start.
Yeah.
Second, that's a good spot. Good. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I would go happy. I'd be very happy with all the subscribers I have. And if any of you have subscribed, then round of applause for you. And leave a comment down below how fast you can solve the Rubik's Cube. I know feel like some gigs time, duh. And there you go.
Perfect. So,
Hi guys, this is me, Adam. And do you want me to
just sign off. See ya, whatever you do.
See ya, boys and girls, and see you in the next audition.